Now, you mentioned that your father was a musician and that it
Yes.
saved his life.
What happens, let's say his father was a carpenter and they lived in this town. He had brothers and sister, but they took everybody into the army, the Red Army at that time, whether they wanted to go or not. And a lot of them never came out of it because they would send, especially Jewish people, they weren't exactly the most popular ones in the army. They weren't popular anywhere in Russia that wasn't Jewish. Um, and one day somebody heard him practicing his flute. He had a flute with him in the army. And they said, you ought to talk to the general about getting into the band. So he got in touch with it, and they did an audition for him, and they took him into the band, and that saved his life because he never had to be in the front lines while he was a musician. So that's what I meant by saving his life.